Ventilate large spaces with the Vortex, a powerful axial air mover from Dri-Eaz. Capable of driving air through 125 feet of ducting or more, the Vortex can be used to ventilate confined spaces during remodels, new construction, or during flood damage remediation. The Vortex's rugged 12-inch axial fan blade and powerful static pressure make it ideal for high-pressure ventilation with ducting or to push or pull air from inaccessible areas, such as confined spaces. With duct rings on both sides and a 12-inch axial blade, the Vortex can pull musty air out of an area or drive fresh air into large open areas like gyms, concrete pads, hallways, and more. It is both powerful and easy to use. With its 1 horsepower motor, the Vortex can effectively drive air through ducting or across large open areas. A built-in handle and simple 1-speed switch make operation a snap. It's stackable for storage and promises rugged, built-in-the-USA reliability. For truly fast drying and professional ventilation, choose the Vortex Axial Air Mover from Dri-Eaz.